Why you break promises to yourself, and how to stop. Be honest with yourself for a second. How many times have you said, "Tomorrow I'll start. I'll wake up early. This time I'll stick to it." And then you don't. Not because you're lazy, not because you don't care, but because something inside you quietly stops believing you. If that sounds familiar, stay with me, because this isn't about discipline, it's about trust. Part 1. The real cost of broken promises. Every time you break a promise to yourself, something small but important happens. You don't just skip a workout, you don't just delay the task, you teach your brain one thing: your words don't mean much. And over time, that creates a problem most people never notice. You stop taking yourself seriously. So when motivation fades, and it always does, there's nothing left to hold you in place. Not willpower, not inspiration, just doubt. Part 2. Why you keep doing it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most promises we break were never realistic to begin with. We make them when we feel motivated, late at night, after a video, after a bad day. We promise a future version of ourselves too much. Wake up early, work harder, be consistent, change everything. But when morning comes, reality shows up. Low energy, stress, life. And suddenly, the promise feels heavy, not helpful. Part 3. This isn't a discipline problem. Most people think the solution is more disciplined. Push harder, be stricter, stop being weak. But pressure doesn't build trust, it breaks it. Discipline without self-trust turns into self-criticism, and self-criticism kills follow-through faster than laziness ever could. The real issue isn't effort, it's credibility with yourself. Part 4. How trust actually gets built. Trust doesn't come from big promises, it comes from small follow-through. Things so small they feel almost too easy. Not, "I'll work out every day," but "I'll put my shoes on." Not, "I'll focus for 3 hours," but "I'll work for 5 minutes." When you keep tiny promises, your brain starts paying attention again. Oh, we actually do what we say. That's how confidence grows, quietly, without hype. Part 5. The rule that changed everything. Here's a rule that helped me stop breaking promises. Only promise what you can do, even on your worst day. Not your best day, not your motivated day, your tired day, your distracted day. If you can keep the promise on those days, it counts. Anything extra is a bonus, not an expectation. This removes guilt, and guilt is usually what breaks the cycle. Part 6. How to practice this starting today. Here's what to do tonight. Write down one small promise for tomorrow. 1. Make it almost laughably easy. Then tomorrow, do it. Not perfectly, just intentionally. And when you do, pause for a second and notice how it feels. That feeling, that's trust rebuilding. Ending. Recap and call to action. So here's the takeaway. You don't break promises because you're weak. You break them because you've been asking too much, too fast. Start smaller, follow through, repeat. Confidence isn't something you find, it's something you earn back. Try it tomorrow, just one small promise. Let's rebuild trust together.